Vivo has released a new software update for the X200 Pro, which comes with the March 2025 Android security patch. Additionally, the update optimizes the system stability and compatibility with third-party Bluetooth earphones. The software update, requiring a download of about 385 megabytes and having firmware version PD2405F-EX_A_15.0.10.6 W30, also comes with some fixes. You can read the update changelog below for more details. Updated to the March 2025 Google Security Patch to improve system security. Optimized system stability to improve smoothness. Optimized the compatibility with third-party wireless earphones. Optimized system network adaptability and stability. Fixed the occasional issue where the global search interface is not displayed properly. Fixed the issue where the navigation keys occasionally do not respond. We received this software update on our Indian unit, but it's unclear whether or not the Vivo X200 Pro in other regions also received the March 2025 security patch. If you are from another country and received the March 2025 security update on your X200 Pro, let us know in the comments below.